Hi, I'm Poh and I'm about to share with you my version of butter chicken cooked in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker. To start off with, the rice. So we're just going to start with brown sear, start-stop, about 50 grams of butter. Next goes in the turmeric and the rice. Once that's beautifully coated with the butter and turmeric, we press start-stop. And then we reset it to rice grains. And then we add our water. On with the lid, and then make sure your steam release dial is on closed, and then press start-stop. My turmeric rice is ready, so I'm going to release the steam. Oh, that is rice perfection. Beautifully separated and fluffy. So next, the aromatic paste. All you have to do is roughly cut through an onion and throw it into one of these little choppers. 2 cloves of garlic and a good hunk of ginger. It's time to start cooking. So we're going to press saute and then start-stop. And right away, I'm going to throw in 50 grams of butter, the cumin, coriander, cinnamon and cloves. And we're just going to toast that until it's a bit foamy and fragrant. You can see that those spices are getting foamy and you can smell that it's getting really nice and toasty. So it's time to add the aromatic paste. I think you're going to really appreciate this recipe because it's so easy, but it just punches hard with flavour. Next, it's all the other spices. So we have garam masala, chili, cardamom, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg, and the bay leaves. Then everything else goes in. The tomato paste, cream, yogurt, honey, salt and sugar, and finally the chicken. So I'm going to press start-stop, pop the lid on, lock it, pop the steam dial on closed, 10 minutes, and then press start-stop. And away we go. That butter chicken is done. So I'm going to release the steam. Oh wow, bubbly goodness. I actually can't believe how easy that was and how much flavour is in this. And I'm just going to serve it with that rice that we made earlier and some nice refreshing raita. And that's it, my butter chicken cooked in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker.